Hey folks, welcome back to another video. If you work with Google Sheets and lots of free text like blog drafts, sales leads, and lead qualification comments, you've probably spent hours manually tagging or extracting keywords. Now, what if your Google spreadsheet could do that for you automatically? In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Sheetgo's AI data processor and how it automates the entire process of extracting tags or keywords from your data. No formulas, no scripting, and no manual tagging. So let's get started. Example that we're going to be dealing with is generating SEO keywords from an article draft. Now there is a content creator that has their new content ready with titles and descriptions, and they want to generate SEO keywords. Now you can always type a few obvious keywords, but you know you're missing out on the dozens of tags that could actually improve your video's reach. So the goal would be to use Sheetgo's AI data processor to automatically extract keywords to generate a rich, relevant list of YouTube tags based on the title and description. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is heading over to app.sheetgo.com. You can get started with the link in the description. So I'm going to be clicking on new, click on blank workflow. Now Sheetgo provides you a couple of different ways in which you can get started with your first workflow. One is to enter in your goal or the flow of your automation in natural language and let AI build it for you. The second one would be to select from popular use cases. And the third one is to obviously build it on your own using the classic builder. So once we are in here, I'm going to click on add to workflow and click on automation. Now the first step here would be to select your source, and that's going to be a Google Sheet for our particular video. I'm going to click on Google Sheets and click on select file, after which I'm going to be searching my how to guide spreadsheet and I'm going to click on done. Now here once again you can either import your entire tab, import a specific tab, or even import a specific range of data. For now I'm going to be selecting my entire tab and I'm going to click on next step. Now once we are here, we need to select our data processor, and in this it's going to be the AI processor, and after which a configuration panel will appear, inside of which I am going to be pasting in my AI instructions, which sounds like analyze the text from the title and description columns together and create a new column called YouTube tags, generate a comma separated list of 15 to 20 relevant keywords and phrases suitable for YouTube tags. So here I've successfully put in the prompt that I want. You can always choose from the popular ones available here. And I'm going to click on next step. Now inside of here, you need to specify the destination, that is where your processed data is going to be sent. So I'm going to click on Google Sheets. Now here you can either create a new file, but for now I'm going to be having it created inside of my existing sheet. I'm going to click on my existing how to guide sheet. I'm going to click on done. And it creates a new tab for me where it's going to be storing the processed data. And once I'm done, I can click on finish and run. And here you can see on successful execution, our automation is complete, and we can open up our spreadsheet to see whether the SEO keywords have successfully been generated. I'm going to click on Sheetgo guide details and I'm just going to expand this. And here you can see it has successfully generated YouTube keywords for each of the tutorial ideas that I've mentioned inside of my spreadsheet. And now your content is SEO ready with minimal effort. The next use case that we're going to be working on is the sales deal loss reasons analyzer. So basically at the end of every quarter, the head of sales needs to understand why some deals are being lost. So the sales reps are expected to leave a note in the CRM when a deal is marked as closed or lost. But these notes are a mix of shorthand and professional summaries and rushed up comments, and it's impossible to see the bigger picture. Now the goal would be to automatically extract keywords to analyze the unstructured loss notes and maybe assign a standardized loss reason to every deal. So basically this would transform the entire process, and it would make it more easier for me to understand why the sales aren't happening, and I can make more data-driven decisions. So I'm going to head over to my Sheetgo interface. I'm going to be clicking on new, creating a blank workflow. After which I'm going to be clicking on use the classic builder. I'm going to click on add to workflow and click on automation. After which I'm going to be specifying Google Sheets. Just copy the name of my particular spreadsheet. I'm going to select my file. I'm going to specify sales, deal, loss, reasons. I'm going to select that particular spreadsheet and click on done. Once I have my spreadsheet loaded in, I'm going to click on next steps and I'm going to be clicking on process with AI. Now inside of here, I'm going to be pasting in the following prompt that says analyze the text in the loss reasons notes column, create a new column called primary loss driver, and we would like to extract the primary reason the deal was lost into that, and classifying them as one of the following. That's going to be pricing, missing feature, competitor, bad timing, or no decision. Once I'm done, I'm going to click on next step. I'm going to select my Google Sheet spreadsheet. That's going to be the existing file that I want to set as a destination. I'm going to select the file. Sheetgo is automatically going to be fetching in the previous search that I made. I'm going to click on sale, deal, loss, reasons sheet. I'm going to click on done. And there we have it. Our workflow is ready and good to go. I'm going to be clicking on finish and run. And immediately after saving, you can see it's telling me that the workflow is running. And in a couple of seconds, the spreadsheet will be transformed with each loss note having a clear, concise reason behind it. And here you can see our workflow execution has finished successfully. I'm going to be opening up my sale, deals, loss, reason sheet. And here you can see we have our original data here, and I'm going to be clicking on Sheetgo sales, deals, details, and I can see the primary loss driver. If I open up this column, is going to be pricing, competitor, missing feature, and stuff. You can see it has successfully transformed my data where each loss note has a concise reason behind it. So there's no guesswork, no manual reading. It's fast, it's consistent keyword tagging that's ready for reporting or maybe trend analysis and decision making for the future next steps. Now the third and the last use case that we're working on is the lead qualification tracker. So basically the sales development representatives have a spreadsheet where they log all the notes after a qualification call. Now these are quick, free-from summaries containing critical information. So the goal is to automatically use keyword extraction to instantly pull out the most important qualification signals from the notes. Now this would allow them to immediately see if there's a lead that has a confirmed budget or a pressing need or a high level of authority, allowing them to prioritize their outreach effectively. So we're going to be following the same steps by going into Sheetgo, and I'm going to be clicking on new, create a new blank workflow, and I'm going to click on use classic builder. After which I'm going to click on add to workflow, and I'm going to specify the lead qualification tracker. I'm going to select Google Sheets, select a file, and paste in the name of my sheet. That's going to be lead qualification tracker. Once I select it, I'm going to click on done. Once my spreadsheet's imported, I'm going to click on next step, and I'm going to be selecting the process with AI option here. The prompt that I'm going to be putting in says from the text in qualification notes column, create a new column called qualification tags and extract up to 5 keywords or phrases that describes the lead's budget, authority level, need, and timeline. And once I'm done here, I can click on the next steps. I'm going to be selecting Google Sheets. I'm going to select existing file. I'm going to select my current file. That's going to be the lead qualification tracker. I'm going to click on done. And once we are ready, I'm going to be clicking on finish and run. And in a couple of seconds, the spreadsheet will be transformed where each qualification note will be paired with a clean set of extracted keywords, highlighting the lead's role, interest, product needs, or buying timeline. So here you can see our automation is complete and good to go. So I'm going to be opening up the lead qualification tracker sheet, and I can see inside of I can see another tab has been created that is known as Sheetgo leads. And I'm going to open up this a little bit more. And now here I can see successfully, I'll just open this up on a bigger spreadsheet where I can see each qualification note now has a set of tags or extracted keywords highlighting the lead's role, product needs, or buying timeline. So there is no guesswork, no manual parsing, just fast, consistent enrichment that's ready for filtering, segmentation, or even CRM integration. So what have we achieved? Text that used to normally sit in free form columns is now structured and ready for analysis. The entire keyword extraction process happens automatically and in seconds without the need for manual intervention. And if you want to, you can even schedule the workflow that every next row that is added to the spreadsheet is processed automatically. In short, you can now Turn your noise into useful, actionable insights. If you've ever stared at a sheet of messy text and didn't know how to make sense of it, now you know. With Sheetgo's AI data processor, you can automatically extract keywords and make sense of long form data. You can check out the blog and get started with Sheetgo with the links in the description. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.